Reka tubahe ikaze nanone kuri AKUMUNSI kuri iki kizamini cyiza kandi n'abakigera hano kuri ino YouTube channel tubahaye ikaze. Turi muri gahunda yo kubagezaho ibizamini bizakorwa mu kigo cya REB ku myanya yashyizwe hanze ku isoko mu gihe cyashize mu kwezi kwa 10. Hanyuma iyi myanya ikaba turi expecting ko izakorwa mu mpera z'ukwezi kwa 12. Hanyuma rero tubahaye ikaze kuri iki kizamini cya Deputy Teacher Head Teacher in Charge of Studies. Ushobora kuba waraprayinze cyangwa se ufite umuntu waprayinze kuri uyu mwanya, ushaka kumusharinga kino kizamini kandi nawe bishaka kugufasha mu gihe uzaba ugiye gukora kuri iki kizamini. Ikindi kizamini rero cyakozwe mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2022 ku mwanya wa Deputy Teacher in Charge of Studies. Hanyuma rero reka turebere ibibazo hamwe bagiye babaza kuri uyu mwanya, hanyuma ku bantu bari kwitegura kuzakora ibizamini kuri izi post cyangwa se ku zindi zizaza no ku yindi myanya izashyirwaho mu kigo cya Rwanda TVET Board, hanyuma bizabafashe kubireferaho muri kwiga. Ikibazo cya mbere: demonstrate your understanding of teacher professional standard in Rwanda by choosing the correct statement from the following one. Choice A: teacher professional standards are meant to provide the framework of teacher professional capacity building. Choice B: teacher professional standards are referred as tools used to set strategic direction of teacher training policy. Choice C: the purpose of teacher professional standard is solely to identify the competencies that characterize professional teachers. Choice D: professional content is not the component of the teacher professional standard in Rwanda. Ahangaha rero ugomba guhitamo igisubizo nyacyo, hanyuma inota ryawe rimwe ukaba urarikukanya. Ikibazo cya kabiri kuri uyu mwanya wa Deputy Teacher in Charge of Studies: if teacher asks you in meeting an example of what professional teacher should do in terms of curriculum implementation, which answer would give him her from the suggested ones? Choice A: teacher should link teaching content, knowledge, and skill to everyday life experiences. Choice B: a teacher should plan what teach annual, termly, monthly, weekly, and daily. A teacher should participate in professional and community network and forum to broaden knowledge and improve practice. Choice D: every example A, B, C are correct. Aha nawe rero ugahitamo igisubizo nyacyo ku bantu bize ibijyanye no kuri uyu mwanya wa Deputy Teacher in Charge of Studies. Hanyuma ikibazo cya gatatu: if we become a Deputy Head Teacher, which of practice would demonstrate as effective leaders? Choice A: plan solely for learning improvement in collaboration with teacher and parents. Choice B: access and provide feedback report on learner performance. Choice C: plan what teach annual, termly, monthly, weekly, and daily. Choice D: cultivate the range partnership with parent and the community. Aha nawe ugahitamo igisubizo nyacyo. Hanyuma ku kibazo cya kane bari babajije: the following are kind of support that school leader can give to teachers to improve learning. Indicate which of odd one out. Choice A: induction for new teachers. Choice B: peer observation and reflection. Choice C: model lesson and reflection. Choice D: professional learning community. Kibazo cya gatanu: which of the following would you not value as benefit of engaging stakeholders in school activities? Choice A: stakeholders provide greater cooperation and support when they know what is happening in school without necessarily being past decision-making process. Choice B: challenges can be identified and addressed more easily when school, parent, and the local community work together. Choice C: parent and other members of the wide community can help school build their resources for teaching and learning. Choice D: all benefit A, B, and C are correct. Kibazo cya gatandatu: which of the following would you perform as leadership task? Choice A: follow up the students' learning and assessment practice. Choice B: lesson observation. Choice C: school improvement planning. Choice D are answer A, B, C are correct. Aha nawe ugahitamo igisubizo kikubere cyangwa se igisubizo nyacyo kugira ngo inota rimwe ubashe kuba waribona. Ikibazo cya karindwi, which of the following is not type of administration according to you? Choice A, authority and administration. Choice B, democratic administration. Choice C, laissez-faire administration. Choice D, instruction administration. Ikibazo cya munani, respect of opinion is feature of A, democratic administration. B, instructional administration. Choice C, authoritarian administration. Choice D, none of above. Ikibazo cya cyenda, permanent difficulty in learning are investigated in Choice A, diagnostic assessment. Choice B, placement assessment. Choice C, summative assessment. Choice D, formative assessment. Ikibazo cya 10, kuri uyu mwanya wa deputy head teacher in charge of studies, which of the following would recommend to teacher as appropriate procedures used to determine the livability? Choice A, typical performance test. Choice B, non-performance test. Choice C, criteria performance test. Choice D, maximum performance test. Abakurikira ku munsi rero, reka tubararikire gukomeza gukora subscribe ndetse no gusangiza abandi iki kizamini. Ndizera yuko kiri mu bizamini byoroshye ku muntu ushobora kuba yagikosoye akajya kugikora rwose yagikosoye, kuko murabona yuko ni ibintu byumvikana cyane. Hanyuma reka dukomeze ku kibazo cya 11 tunyarutse cyane. The basic purpose of teaching and learning supervision is to help. Choice A, children learn more effectively. Choice B, teacher in improving methods. Choice C, teacher in understanding pupils. Choice D, teacher in dealing with pupils. Aha naho ugahitamo igisubizo nyacyo. Tunyarutse ku kibazo cya 12, the leader are not born but trained. This means that Choice A, the leadership is not innate quality but individual however suffer and found out a way of ameliorating of the mass become a leader. Choice B, leadership is outcome of one social welfare work and social roles. Choice C, leadership is not an inheritance quality. Choice D, the leadership training make a good leader. Aha nawe ukaba wahitamo igisubizo cyiza kikubereye. Ikibazo cya 13, leadership can be donated by the following. Choice A, dominance flowing. Choice B, dominance descendants. Choice C, dominance depression. Choice D, dominance forced support. Aha nawe ugahitamo igisubizo kibereye kugira ngo ubashe kubabona rero nota. Ikibazo cya 14, leadership is style that follow command and control approach is. Choice A, transactional leadership. Choice B, cross-culture leadership. Choice C, acrocratic leadership. Choice D, democratic leadership. Ikibazo cya 15, which leadership style among the following one is known as Leeward? Choice A, transactional style. Choice B, laissez-faire. Choice C, democratic style. D, none of above is correct answer. Question number 16. A school community member in charge of catering for philosophy, psychological, emotional, and social need of the learner is. Choice A, school head teacher. Choice B, education counselor. Choice C, class teacher. Choice D, deputy head in charge of studies. Question number 17. After a recent observation, you will tell the teacher that to increase the learner motivation, he or she should use the following strategy. Choice A, emphasize and bullet. Choice B, remember the learner's identity. Choice C, give a descriptive feedback. Choice D are strategic A, B, C. Aha nawe ukaba wahitamo igisubizo cy'ukuri. Question number 19. Question number 18. The following are standard for effective school leadership in Rwanda. Which one is one odd out? Choice A, creating strategy direction of school improvement planning. Choice B, leading teaching. Choice C, managing the school as organization. Choice D, working with parent and wide community. Question 19. Which of the following would refer as component of professional capital that can guide you in matter related to the quality of teacher in school. Choice A, human capital. Choice B, social capital. Choice C, decision capital. Choice D, working capital. Question number 20. Which of the following assertion is not correct? Choice A. Participative school leadership assumes that schools take part in decision making and that people are more likely as implementation decision in which they have been involved. Choice B. Transaction school leadership states that the relationship between head teacher, deputy head teachers, and teacher are based on exchange for issues, more focus on external motivation than intrinsic motivation. Choice C. Distributed leadership concentrates on engaging expertise, whatever it exists within an organization. Choice D. Situation school leadership is an ideal school leadership model that is based under all circumstances. Question 21. One of the following is not correct about school leadership style indicated. Choice A. At the stage of coaching, team member still need a lot of direction from the leader. Choice B. At supporting level for development, the leader allows the team to create their goal but work closely with them. Choice C. Delegating leadership style indicates that the team is well functioning and high competence with tasks at hand. Choice D. At the directing stage, team members have much knowledge at the task and they are able to direct their follow. Question number 22. Which of the following statement is not correct? Choice A. It is imperative for school to have vision rather than mission. Choice B. A school vision is a desired picture of the school in the future that drives all school activity, attitude, and value. Choice C. A clear vision statement acts as unified force and has positive impact on organization effectiveness. Choice number D. A school vision is one of the most important components of school improvement plan. Question 23. One of the key documents that school should have in CIP. What does it stand for? Choice A. School improvement planning. Choice B. Strategic improvement plan. Choice C. School improvement plan. Choice D. School improvement profile. Question number 24. The following are the characteristics of powerful school vision except one. What is it? Choice A. A powerful school vision should be authentic. Choice B. A powerful vision should be challenging. Choice C. A powerful school vision should be motivating. Choice D. A powerful school vision should be distinctive. Question number 25. The following are the benefits of a school improvement plan apart from one indicated. Choice A. It helps the school to avoid misuse of school resources and ensure the effective allocation. Choice B. It helps school to develop a sense of ownership by school community members. Choice C. It helps the school to develop a strategy before embarking on activities. Choice D. It helps the school to ensure the effective allocation and application of school resources. Question number 26. The responsibility of a deputy head teacher in charge of studies in school improvement planning is. Iki kibazo rero ukaba ushobora kugisanga kuri job description mu gihe uyu mwanya uba washyizwe ku isoko. Choice A. Present teaching staff in the planning process. Choice B. Provide further information about studies. Choice C. Provide guidelines in development of the plan. Choice D. Help the planning team to understand the desired picture of the school. Question number 27. It become a deputy head teacher. It will promote team working because teamwork leads to high achievements. Choice A. Members are given tasks and each member competence her own part. Choice B. Members work independently toward their personal goals. Choice C. Members collaborate to achieve common goals. Choice D. All answer A, B, and C are correct. Question number 28. Which of the following can you vary as the responsibility of a deputy head teacher? Choice A, to prepare and recommend for approval of the school budget. Choice B, to take care of furniture, building, land, and other property of school. Choice C, to manage permanent and contract or teaching staff of school. Choice C, none above, is correct. Question number 29. The following are competence that school leader should have for effective implementation of competence-based curriculum. Indicate one of them that is one or doubt. Choice A, lead and manage change and act as change agent. Lead and manage change. Choice B, design and implement monitoring and evaluation system. Choice C, enhance artificial and horizontal argument and subject in curriculum implementation. Choice D, recognize and promote effective classroom teaching strategy. Question 30. Which of the following method you would use in leading teaching through continuous professional development? Choice A, team teaching. B, classroom observation. C, professional learning community. D, all answer A, B, C are correct. Ubu twari tugeze kuri ya seribe aho noneho ikibazo kiba gifite amanota 3 kugeza ku kibazo cya 40. Ikibazo cya 31. A child fainted during school prayer. If you are a school leader, what would you do? Choice A, ask a teacher to conduct a prayer and take the child to the doctor. Choice B, ask a teacher to care for the child and continue to conduct a prayer. Choice C, ask a teacher to take a child to her home and continue with the prayer. D, ask teacher to continue with prayer, to supervise the first aid to the child and resume with the prayer. Question number 32. If the professional learning community session, a school leader asks you to explain the meaning of managerial leadership, which of the following would not give an answer? Choice A, it focuses on hierarchical structure of authority, clearly identifying the role of each position. Choice B, it characterized by clear division of labor, which staff having well-described tasks and clear roles. Choice C, it based on formal relation between school leader and teacher, between teacher and learners. Choice D, it characterized by involvement of stakeholder in decision-making. Question number 33. In a school improvement planning meeting, our team member asked you to remind of some of key element include CIP. Which of the following would choose the element? Ibi rero akaba ari ibibazo by'amanota 3 byose murajya kubona yuko bagenda bacanganya bashyiramo utuntu tujya gucanganya ariko wabisoma ugasanga biri kujya gusa. Ariyo mpamvu rero babisaba ngo ibi bibazo ubashe kuba wabisoma neza witonze hanyuma ubashe kuba wabisubiza. Ikibazo cya 34 nacyo murakibona yuko gifitanye isano na leadership of family. A school leader should be familiar with develop policy and document that call for teacher continuous professional development, assuming that you have become a deputy teacher who now attending district pedagogic meeting that are asked to recommend such policy. Indicate which one cannot be recommended from the following. Sustainability development goals. B, Rwanda Vision 2015. C, economic development poverty reduction strategy. ICT in education policy. Ikibazo cya 35. Teacher development and management TDM. Iyo murayizi policy yo muri 2015 is the policy that seek to professionalize teaching in Rwanda. You are consulted to suggest some principle to include in policy. Which one will remove the following? Choice A, teacher development in clear short terms. Choice B, every teacher has diverse professional needs. Choice C, teacher development and management are shared responsibility among teacher in the improvement at different levels. Choice D, teacher development and management draw or stakeholder creativity, productivity, flexibility, and resource planning. Murabona ko ibi ari ibibazo byose rero ushobora kugenda usubiza wirefereho ku mwanya wa Deputy Head Teacher in Charge of Studies. Ikibazo cya 36 nacyo murakibona ko kiri kubaza refer to the professional standard for effective leadership in Rwanda, indicate which the following you can perform as skills to be demonstrated by effective school leaders. Naho rero ukaba wahitamo igisubizo cy'ukuri. Ikibazo cya 37 nacyo murabona yuko kiri kujya gusa n'icya 36 ariko ikintu bagenda bashyiramo no kugenda bacanganya ibibazo kugira ngo umuntu abashe kuba yagisubiza akizi neza. Ikibazo cya 38, in order to become effective school leader you should have the skills of leading change process. Perceive as difficult task. Choose an option that best explain the reason why it is not easy to lead changes. Nahangaha baduhaye changes enye naho ushobora guhitamo igisubizo nyacyo. Ikibazo cya 39, think about leadership attribute and complete the best option to complete this statement. Leadership is an achieved to vision through, ugahitamo hariya inspiring, motivating individuals, influencing and motivating individuals, influencing and control individuals, controlling and governing individuals. Hano ugahitamo igisubizo nyacyo. Ikibazo rero cya 40 kiravuga peer coaching can be the most suitable professional development strategy that a school leader can use. In which the following situation would be applied. Now the option enye nazo ushobora gukora identification ugakuramo igisubizo nyacyo. Tugeze kuri ya section C ifite rero amanota 4. Ino section C bikunze kurangwa n'ibibazo birebire cyangwa se bagashyiramo ikibazo kimwe kikaba kigifite amasub branch. 41 akaba ari sub question A, sub question B ndetse na sub question C. Iyo nawe turi witindeho ni ukuvuga ngo umuntu uri kureba ino video ashobora kugendesha gakeya hanyuma akaba yabasha gusoma ino text yose, kuko iyi text yose niyo iri buguhe activation yo kuba wasubiza ibindi bibazo byose bikurikiye. Murabona ko hano dufite question 41 B bivuze ko ari sub question ya kiriya, akaza sub question C nayo biba bisaba gusomera background y'ikibazo cya 41. Yes, akaza sub question D nayo murabona ko ari background ya kiriya kibazo cya 41. Buri cyose cyo gifite amanota 4. Sub question E nacyo murabona ko ari background y'ikibazo cya 41. Hanyuma tugahita tugira ikibazo kindi cya 46. Akenshi nabwo aba ari iki ngiki nacyo kiba gifite amasu question, hanyuma nabyo ukagenda usubiza. Katubararikire rero gukomeza tubaha ma exam menshi ishobora kubafasha umunsi ku wundi, tubashishikariza gusharing izi video ahantu hose hashoboka. Sub question 46B nayo murabona ko ari sub question ya kiriya, ubwo no kugisoma neza ukaba wasubiza. Sub question 48 nayo murabona ko ari sub question 46. One of the following is not among 9 strategic priority of the 2018 SCP. Nawe ukaba wasubiza. Hanyuma ikibazo cya 49 nacyo murabona ko babaje kuri NST1, ariko ubu ngubu ntabwo bazongera kubaza kuri NST1 ahubwo ubu bazajya babaza kuri NST2, kubera yuko ubu ngubu NCT2 niyo twatangiriye guhera 2024 kuzageza 2029. Ubwo rero abantu birefera mu bizamini bajye birefera kuri iyo NS2. Hanyuma arabona yuko ikibazo cya nyuma bari bibanze kuri National Strategy for Transformation NST1, ariko iyi ngiyi ntabwo nabakonseye kongera kubisoma, ubwo wasoma NST2. Katubashimire rero mwese mwakurikiye iyi video, tubararikira gukurikira izindi video zikurikira, kandi reka tubashimire kuba mwabanye natwe kuri iyi video. Ciao ciao.